Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell laid out the reasons behind the central bank's first decision on interest rates in 2026. Karen Caifa is in Washington tonight with that decision and what Powell had to say about the outlook for the U.S. economy.
Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell on the central bank's first interest rate decision of 2026.
In support of our goals, today the Federal Open Market Committee decided to leave our policy rate unchanged.
The Federal Reserve taking its time bringing interest rates down and seeing little urgency, with government data pointing to slower job growth but a relatively low unemployment rate and inflation ebbing, even as consumer sentiment numbers point to Americans being in a sour economic mood.
Inflation data has been looking a little bit better and trending in the right direction. And then you have these consumer sentiment numbers really falling off a cliff, indicating that consumers are really worried about their jobs right now.
President Donald Trump sharply critical of Powell, insisting lower interest rates would spur greater economic growth by encouraging consumers and businesses to borrow and buy, spend, and hire.
I'd like to see interest rates go down. Everything else is going down. We have the energy and fuel going down.
The central bank did cut rates 3 times last year as it monitored the economic effects of Trump's policies, especially his broad global tariff plan. In Washington, I'm Karen Caifa.